Welcome back. Now, whenever you open a file of Windows 10, you're typically going to open it and it's going to be used by a certain application in Windows 10. And you can control what those applications are regardless of what kind of file you're opening. If you're opening a video, that video is going to open up into a specific application. And so you may want to control what that application is going to be, and you can do that using the default settings. And so what you're going to do is you're going to come into your search bar and you're going to write in default applications. And you're going to have a setting here that says default app settings. You're going to click that link. That's going to open up into some basic default applications, and you're going to see 6 available to you. So for example, if we were to look at the web browser application, this means that any web-based file is going to be opened up by Internet Explorer. If we wanted to change that, all we would do is click this button. We can change this to Microsoft Edge. We can change this to Firefox. We can change it to Google Chrome. We can change it to whatever we have installed typically. Or we can look for an app in the store. But we have here the choice of Internet Explorer. And that means then when you see the web-based files, they're going to show Internet Explorer as the kind of application that will open the file. That means then that whenever we open up a web-based file, it's going to open up into Internet Explorer. Now we can choose other applications by going to this link that says choose default apps by file type. We're going to go ahead and click that link. And that's going to give us a number of choices that we have available to us to determine which applications we're going to use for a particular file type. And you'll see those files listed by numerical and alphabetical order. And you'll see the application associated with that kind of file type. In some cases, we can choose a different application. So for example, if we want to open the maps, you'll see that Microsoft has a Maps application. However, we can look for an app in the store. And for example, if you wanted to use Google Maps, there are several apps available that will allow you to access Google Maps whenever you have a map that you're opening on Windows 10. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.